Are you looking for easy ways to make money from anywhere in the world?
You've probably tried courses, signed up for free masterclasses, and watched a ton of how-to videos that are just boring, plain, and not helpful at all. We started our online journey over a year ago and have dabbled in just about anything you can think of. Literally anything. So it's fair to say that, we know what works and what doesn't.
In this video, we're going to show you 7 simple methods to start earning passive income with no money and no experience required.
Whether you're looking to work from home, travel, or simply just boost your income, these strategies are perfect for beginners.
And guys, trust me, stick around to the end because we're going to reveal a secret bonus strategy that is helping people generate up to $31,000 per day. You don't want to miss this.
Now we're going to start off with one that you may or may not have heard before, but it's growing quickly and the potential is really high with this strategy. Making money on Fiverr and Upwork.
So what exactly are Fiverr and Upwork?
Fiverr and Upwork are freelancing platforms that connect freelancers with people who need a specific service. Freelancers are basically just people who are, offering up their service for people that need them. These services could be things like creating thumbnails for YouTube videos, copywriting, video editing, social media management, and much more.
So you're saying we can make money by offering our skills to clients from all over the world, right?
Yeah, exactly. And the best part is you can set your own rates and your own work schedule. So if you know that you're pretty strong in a specific service or there's something in particular you want to learn and get better at, this is something you can definitely sell and get paid for doing. So if you go over to Fiverr here, you'll be able to see all the different services along the top. You got things like logo design, website design, there's digital marketing, video editing, all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what the top earners can be making for the specific service. So I'm just going to use one as an example. I'm going to use video editing. So we'll go into here and look, as you can see, top rated seller here on the left, top left here. Look at that. So they've got over 1,000 reviews, 4.9 stars, and they're charging $165 per minute. Obviously that varies. So the longer the video, the more they're going to charge, right? So look at that, $500, and that's up to 3 minutes of running time. So, these guys are obviously experienced. They're really good at what they do. Look at that, over 1,000 reviews. They've got 11 orders in queue. So they've got consistent work coming in, which is perfect because, as you got consistent work coming in, that also means you have a consistent income coming in. Obviously, these guys are really good at what they do, and you're not at that level yet, but everyone starts from somewhere. These guys would have been starting from the bottom. You have to work your way up. That's just how it is in every industry. No matter what you do, no matter what you get into, you're gonna have to start from the bottom and work your way up slowly. But yeah, these guys would be killing it. They'd be making probably tens of thousands a month. So, there is a lot of potential with Fiverr. That doesn't just go for video editing, that goes for a lot of other stuff. If you become the best servicer on Fiverr, you'll be able to make really good money. So yeah, keep that in mind.
Now, the best thing about starting on these platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you don't need any upfront investment, just your skills and your willingness to put in the effort.
Over time, as you build up your profile and start to get more positive reviews, you'll be able to increase your rates and start attracting even more clients.
Yeah, 100%. It's a great way to start earning money from anywhere in the world, especially if you stay consistent and keep getting better.
So whether you're just looking to make some extra cash or you actually want to build a full-time income, it's not a bad way to get started. Second up, we have print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where basically you customize plain products, could be t-shirts, mugs, and you put your own unique designs on it. You don't have to worry about no inventory or shipping at all.
So here's how it works. You create unique designs and then you upload them to a print-on-demand platform like, say, Printful or Printify. When a customer orders a product featuring your design, the company prints it and then they'll ship it directly to the customer.
The great thing about this business model is that it's low risk and it requires barely any money to start up, just for things like, designing your website or setting up your store. But the best thing is that you don't even have to pay for the product. Only once you've made the sale, nothing comes out of your pocket.
And if you suck at designing, don't worry. You can hire a freelance designer from Upwork or Fiverr to just create your design.
Or you can go to Canva, they can create some mad pieces for you. This is a really good way to earn passive income, and with the right marketing strategy, you can really maximize the profit.
Yeah, 100%. So if you have a passion for design or you want to learn more about it, this could be a great opportunity for you.
Number 3, starting a faceless YouTube channel.
Typically, faceless YouTube channels, they come in the form of like top 10 lists. So like top 10 cars, top 10 life hacks.
You also see a lot of tutorials and how-to guides on things like different softwares, cooking recipes, and also heaps of motivational videos you'll see.
Yeah, these channels are perfect for someone who doesn't really feel comfortable jumping in front of a camera, but they still want to be able to make money with YouTube. So you want to make sure you're focusing on quality content, telling a good story, and consistently uploading.
You can build a good audience and start generating income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing as well. It depends on what niche you go into though. And when you start going into affiliate marketing, that's when you start making big money with it. So this is a perfect example of a faceless YouTube channel. As you can see, if you have a look at the videos, it's all completely faceless. Like he's just doing some sort of cartoon, sort of graphic design work. And if you actually look at the content, like what it's all about, he's only talking about how he made the faceless channels, what he sort of did, how much money he made. And if you look
I've made over
look, he's made over $100,000 just by doing, faceless YouTube automation. And that's just with this channel. So, and you can see he actually has in his description, people can apply to work with him one-on-one. So, when he's getting hundreds of thousands of views and people are actually watching these videos, you can imagine if they see how much money he's making, they're going to be like, wow, I want some of that as well. And, they can go and work with him one-on-one and he'll be getting a lot of money from that as well. So you can see he's got over 250,000 subscribers. He's only made 42 videos. That just shows how quickly you can blow up with something like this. A lot of people are starting to get into it, but it definitely does work. People are interested in this sort of content. So it is definitely something you can start if you want to, try and make money online. So if you're looking for a way to make good passive income without showing your face, starting a faceless YouTube channel might be a good strategy for you. Next up, we've got social media influencers. Most of you will know what influencers are, but we'll quickly go over and show you how they're making some big money. Basically, influencers are just individuals who have big following on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. This could be to do with fashion, health, fitness, anything like that. Now they make money in a few different ways. The main way they do is through brand sponsorship. So they'll like review a product and show them, how it works. A lot of them also do affiliate marketing. So like every time someone uses a link in their bio, for example, you've probably seen it before. That's when they can start to make money as well. And as they go, a lot of them tend to sell their own products, things like ebooks, merchandise, and online courses. You're probably thinking, oh, I need a huge following base to be an influencer. Trust me, you don't. There's tons of micro influencers out there. So they're basically people who have a smaller influencer base, but they're more engaged. So like they've built that personal connection, that trust that they're willing to buy something from them, or even, it could be a course that aligns with something they're interested in. Number 5, we have selling digital products. Now this one has really taken off, and in 2025, it's only going to get bigger. Why? Because digital products are something you can create once. You don't have to do anything to do with shipping or inventory, and you can sell it as many times as you want. What? So you only have to create it once and that's it? Yeah, bro, it's that easy. Digital products, they can be anything from ebooks, online courses, and social media templates, stock photos, or even music files. Basically, if it's something that people can download, you're good to go. It's completely intangible, which means it's not a physical product that you buy in a store or something. We'll go over a few more examples of what we mean by digital products, just so it's a bit more clear for you. You could be like into fitness, you can create like an online meal plan and sell that, or you can be into things like designing and make like social media templates. You can just create it once, and then you can list it on places like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify, and there you go. You've got something that people from all over the world can buy at any time. There's so many different digital products out there, but it's a little bit saturated. But then again, if you stick to it and get really good at it, you can make a lot of money with it. Number 6 is drop shipping. Now you've probably heard of it a million times, but it's not something to look past. Drop shipping is still killing it in today's world, and the sky's the limit with this business model. So for those of you that don't know, drop shipping is basically selling products online without having to ship or store inventory yourself. So when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier handles everything, the packaging, the delivery, and the shipping, all while you earn the profit. It's like having your own online store, but without all the overhead costs. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drop shipping, yeah, it's been around for a while. It's probably pretty saturated. But here's the thing. As long as there's people willing to buy something online, there's always room for growth. It's as simple as that. It's so easy to get caught up in what people say online, but at the end of the day, if you just put your head down and work, it doesn't matter what you're doing, you'll get there in the end. In today's world, with social media growing quickly, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok have made dropshipping more accessible than ever before. You can literally target the perfect audience with ads, show them exactly what they want, and make sales fast. Plus, tools like Shopify and Aberlo make setting up the store as easy as you want. You'll find with most online money making skills that marketing is so important, because at the end of the day, you could have the best product in the world, but if you're not reaching the right audience, it's just like having all the ingredients but no recipe. So if you're looking for a business model that requires low upfront investments and the potential to scale quickly, dropshipping could be the perfect fit for you. Number 7, affiliate marketing. So me and Nathan are actually doing affiliate marketing. This is the business model that we chose to go with. We're going to give you a bit of information about what it is, how it works, the potential going into 2025. And we're also going to show you the bonus strategy that we promised to give you at the start. This is the exact formula that we're doing at the moment, and we know people that are making big money with it. So yeah. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you get a commission for selling other people's products. So it's not actually your product. You get given a unique link by the owner of the product, and you promote it online and earn a commission that way. So let's say there's an online store that sells fitness products and they offer a program. You join that program and they'll give you your own personalized affiliate link to promote their product. Then you create a post on Instagram or a video on YouTube where you actually go and review that product and share your unique affiliate link. If someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you earn the commission. It's as simple as that. As time goes by, we're seeing everything shift more and more online. People are shopping, researching, and making decisions online more than ever before. This opens up incredible opportunities for affiliate marketers, especially in 2025. More and more brands are recognizing the power of digital marketing, which means they're now investing more in affiliate programs to help promote their products. So how can beginners start affiliate marketing? So there's a wide variety to choose from with affiliate marketing. The main two is the organic and the paid. So the free version and the paid version. Now the organic way takes a little bit longer. Obviously, you pay for more data, you pay to learn more faster, but it is still effective. So there's different ways you can do the free method, starting with, YouTube channels, blogs, social media channels. So this could be anything from like, fitness and health and tech sort of stuff, like gadgets. You build up a bit of a channel, a bit of an audience base that start to trust you and recognize what you're all about. And yeah, that way you can, build in affiliate links into your videos and all your content, and that's how you can start monetizing it.
With paid ads, you can reach larger targeted audiences on platforms such as YouTube, Google, and Facebook while seeing the results faster. You can sign up to affiliate programs such as Digistore24 or ClickBank and pick a product in a niche that you like. And you'll just create content around it, targeting specific countries, ages, and interests.
Now, we learned Facebook and YouTube ads through this new AI-driven strategy. We know people making over 30K a day with it and over 5 mil in a year. For 2 years in a row, we know someone who's made over 5 mil with it. So it definitely works, and there's so much money to be made.
Yeah, barely anyone knows about this at the moment, so I'm not going to say much, but we'll leave a link in the description, and it could be something you might be interested in.
So check it out.
So that's it, guys. That's the 7 easy ways to start making passive income today.
Whether it's freelancing, digital products or affiliate marketing, the money is there to be made. You just have to put your head down, put some effort in. Don't expect things to come overnight, because they're not. And yeah, if you just keep working hard, you'll see the results come. So stick with it.
If you found this video helpful, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.
And if you have any questions or you're struggling with anything, feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.